let's go to the question number 2. Cynthia is asking, what are your thoughts on using your personal Facebook timeline to promote your business? I'm talking beyond your Facebook banner and links in your bio. Okay, understand. Using your personal timeline as a communication channel, as a garden in your castle of sales, is a strategic decision. Is it a good strategy? It is a good strategy under a certain condition, and this condition is you grow your friends list to 5,000 people by adding potential and existent clients as your friends. So if you look at anyone who uses Facebook, on average, people would have something like 80 to 150 real friends and family in following them on Facebook or being their friends on Facebook. You cannot sell your services, your products, your fashion to your friends and family, even though all friends and family are always telling us that they will buy everything we do at the moment when we launch. Most of the time they do not. So they are not the early adopters. They are the latest followers. At the moment when you get successful with your brand and everybody's talking about you, this is when your family and friends may start buying from you, but not in the beginning. So if you are thinking that you are having 80 friends, 150 friends, and you are going to communicate about your fashion brand on your timeline in order for them to buy, they will not buy, so forget about it. It means that you need to open up your friend list for potential buyers, for your potential clients and for your existing clients. Your existing potential clients, they will read your timeline and buy from you. Hence, you need to grow this group to a maximum amount of people you can have as your friends is 5,000 people. A disadvantage that it brings with it is that you will sacrifice your privacy. It means that you are opening up your Facebook timeline to your customers and your potential customers. If you decide to use your personal timeline as a communication channel, same rules apply to this communication channel as for any other channel. The sales process knows 3 steps called pre-framing, education, and conversion. So you will be in the pre-framing steps, you will create likability, trust, and brand awareness. The pre-framing posts you are going to post on your timeline are personal posts, creating likability, product development posts, creating product awareness and likability, social proof posts, creating trust, questions to your followers, creating likability, because the rule is that people like us for all the good things they've done to us, and they do not like us for all the bad things they've done to us. And inspirational quotes and points of view. In the educational step, you are going to explain to your audience why do they need your product. There are 5 types of posts around education. The first one is you educate your followers about the problem and create an awareness of the problem. The second one is you educate your followers about the causes of the problem. The third one is you ignite in your followers the desire to solve the problem and show them the advantages of being problem-free. The fourth type of post is you educate your followers about the methods to solve the problem, including your product. And number 5, you inspire your followers to use your product as a solution. And the third step is the conversion step, is where you present an offer to your followers. So all these different types of posts you would be doing on other channels of yours, you can be doing on your personal timeline, and it does work if you want to concentrate on organic marketing, if you are willing to open up your private space to your potential clients and existing customers. If this all is good with you, if you are willing to grow your friend list to 5,000 people actively, not passively sleeping there,